Hey everybody, welcome back to Projects with Paul. Just want to give you a little update on the project house down here. We got it painted this past weekend. Took them 2 days, but they finished out all my sheetrock mud between the living room and the dining room for me. I just want to give you a look at that. So you can see on the floor there, sort of where the wall used to be. I finished that pretty nice. Did the ceiling, matched it in with the stempel. Turned out pretty good. Painted all the trim around the windows, doors, baseboards. They did the ceiling, painted the back door, front door. I just installed this new fan. This is a fan light combo for the kitchen. It's got a 3-speed fan there and fluorescent lighting. It's on low right now. It's pretty quiet. Controlled by remote control. It's got the light there. Then you can speed up the fan. That turned out pretty good. Got all the new registers in for the air conditioning. I'll show you the bedroom. Got the new ceiling fans in. Painted all the doors. Turned out pretty good. Put up a new smoke alarm / carbon monoxide alarm. New hallway light and fixture. Alright. Excuse me. You guys saw the previous video where I tore this closet out like last weekend. And I put the sheetrock in and these guys finished it. And I can't hardly tell. I knew it was here, but I can't tell where they did an outstanding job. Caulked all the new baseboards. Turned out pretty good. Painted all the doors. Saved me a lot of time. Like I said, they did it in 2 days. Very reasonable price. New fan up in there. All right, that's about it. I'm gonna change out all the switches and outlets to the paddle style. Get rid of the old style. So that's my next deal, and then the kitchen begins. So that's where we're at. Just a little update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.